Hey
So
guys.
we're back in Monkey Place.
Woo!
My video didn't really do that good, but we really like this game, so we're just gonna keep doing it. I don't care
Yep.
how bad these videos are doing, but we really like to do it. So in this video, he's gonna be showing you how to get the horror stuff, and together we're gonna be showing you how to get some cosmetics. You don't have all of it.
So
Jack's
let's-
tell you how to get like the knife, help.
I don't have help
Alright,
yet.
so
though.
first,
You
all you
just
gotta do is you see this, you
Yep.
jump in, there's gonna be a
and
green
you
button,
claim it there
like that.
and you leave.
Yep.
Okay,
I'll put it on for you guys.
Also,
I'll put it on for you.
for this banana costume, that I'm wearing, all you have to do is make your name
so for
Banana.
This banana costume.
You should make
what
your name
do
Banana.
is- So here, I gotta cover this so you guys don't see my ID. So what you do is you gotta click on name, then type banana. Don't let them see that above your keyboard. It shows them your ID.
Okay, so let's start. Let's start.
So
Wait.
the icicle.
Oh, okay.
So the icicle. So you guys, if you want to know how to get the horror stuff, watch Jack's video, because I don't want to go in horror. It's I play games to 10. So the icicle.
It's right
is
down
go
here.
And it's right there. All right. And I'll go show that to you guys right now. Okay, I don't know if we showed this in the last video, but the ice block is in here, right there.
Yep.
It's a head accessory.
And
I'm just gonna go
over
over
here at the
all
snowman,
these ones.
there's the snowman.
Yep, it goes on your head.
Yep.
And that's it for this. All right. So now you open it. You open this door. You open the door, and the marshmallow stick is right here.
And then under the bed, you want to go under the bed, and you'll see Triangle Obama. And what you do, you head
So
back
what
here.
you guys could do? So what you guys do
never
is,
mind.
right? You could jump up. You see this little area?
Or you can just do it this
You
way.
gotta go behind the cabin. And then you gotta crawl through
Yep.
to get the crawl monkey, which I'll show
Crawl
you
monkey.
guys that. So we went over the icicle, which I'll show you guys that. There's the. You want to know what it looks like?
This is the knife that
snowman
Jace isn't
hat,
gonna show. Right here.
The knife and help. If Jack finishes help.
I don't have
Because
help,
that's
but
a
I will
horror mode.
attempt. I will attempt
So
horror.
help. The help one is like where you finish horror. And
Also,
I'm too big of
it's
a
basically just the psst thing. Just help.
So
That's icicle?
Here's the icicle.
There's that
This
snowman
head,
and ice cube.
here's the snowman head. And let me see your. And
There's ice cube.
it doesn't block your vision. So
Yep.
I honestly recommend this hat.
It is
All
pretty
right,
good.
So now, so then this
Just like
is this,
right like that.
and the crawl monkey. And the crawl monkey is like a gun.
Yep. Okay, so let's show them where popcorn and the drink is.
All right, so the popcorn and the drink. So what you do?
Are over in
I
the
think
special
I
maps.
think you guys already seen them, but we're just making sure. We don't have all of them, just so you know. Probably in this
They're
video,
over
he's
here.
gonna show you how to hit the horror. So if you guys are watching my video, make sure to watch it. I play games at 10 to show you the horror one.
I'm gonna do club first. Let's do club first.
So the club.
So
So
And-
here I'm gonna do mine first.
right here.
So
So this is
what you
club.
do? So you gotta go in here.
This is where
So,
the mustard
Monkey's
juice is.
We're in a movie
Right there.
theater. Then you do is you go down right there in the middle of the aisle.
Yeah.
So
Over
the
here,
mustard, I
in
think
the
we've
middle of the
already
aisle,
seen this,
popcorn.
There are
Just
so
letting you
many
guys-
maps to play.
but so the
It's crazy.
bar is
Honestly,
right here.
there's so much to do in this game.
It's in the special maps,
Inspiring
Right here.
movie.
and then there's the movie. And now, do you want to show them how to get the horror thing? I'm not
No,
gonna
not
be
yet.
coming
We
with
should
him
do all the
because
maps.
I'm aware.
No. Okay. So what we'll do? Let's
Hyper
Hyper
So,
map, let's go show them
I'm
where
gonna-
tree
I'm
house
gonna-
is. Let's show them where tree house is. So in this map,
don't
you get a
even have
speed
treehouse.
boost. Oh,
I don't
got
have
stuck.
treehouse. Yeah,
And you gotta get up.
Is you see this? You just gotta climb it. I'm just gonna follow Jack's footsteps. I haven't even got it yet. Oh fudge!
You haven't gotten the
Long
frog?
arms. No, the treehouse. I
Oh,
haven't gotten the treehouse.
here. Okay,
So
so what
now
you do, you
go
want to
like
get
right
over
here?
here? Launch.
Just to be
You do,
careful,
you
guys,
launch
I
up
haven't
again.
even got it yet. I
Get
gave
right
up.
here. Oops, I slipped.
Fudge,
Bro, I keep
fudge!
slipping. Okay, seriously.
So there's like a box on the tree that you need to climb. I'll try to do it. It's just that it's really hard because you have a speed boost. That's just me though.
So yeah.
So
Go here.
just a reminder, if you're looking for the banana suit, you just gotta put your name as banana.
So you go here. And
Where do you go from here?
you
Where do
go.
you go from here?
Watch.
I don't even have this yet.
You just go up.
But where do I go now?
Okay.
Where do I go?
Hmm.
Where do you go? I'm right here.
So
You see that
over
banana?
here.
Where do you go now?
To the top.
Oh, to the very.
So
very
what you want to do?
toppity.
You want to head to the top here. Come right over
yes.
here. There's a branch right here. Pop down, and here's the treehouse.
And it's right here. It should say unlock. You click it, and yeah.
And bam.
I'll go show you guys that right now. We thought it was gonna be on the head, but it's actually a holdable. Which
Sadly.
disappoints. You guys need help? Just follow that light right there.
Oh, crap.
All right. So the tree house, you go to second, and look at. You got the tree house.
That's what
The
it is.
mustard, which
Popcorn.
has flour, and the popcorn, which has an sauce.
Okay.
So we still need to find
No, and
this. Jack has that, and see the normal ones. Oh yeah, and the mug.
And this weird monkey thing. So I've seen somebody with this. This goes on your back. This goes on your back.
We need to like climb somewhere. Oh,
So
there's a ladder here.
wait,
Let's go on the
we
ladder.
didn't tell him where the
Let's go on
frog is. We gotta show him where the frog is.
Oh yeah, the frog.
So the frog,
Yeah, my bad, guys. So the frog, by the way, goes in your hands. Sadly.
and it's
So
not
what you
as
gotta
big.
do-
Gotta climb this tree.
So what I do is I go on here.
Yep.
I get up this first branch. My bad, I was looking down. So I go on this first. Just right. You come
Come
over
up
here,
here.
and you basically got a branch, like Gorilla Tag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right over. Oh, sorry.
Here, you go first.
It's right over there.
Yeah, so you gotta go. Like, yeah, you saw that where I got hit? That's where it is. First, I'm gonna just show you guys so you're not lost.
Here, look
Oh my
it.
God.
Here's the
Look.
frog.
I'm
This
stuck.
frog.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Whoa.
I'm
So
stuck.
here's the frog.
Oh my god, never mind. We go.
There's this little hiding spot
Yeah,
down
so
here.
it's
Hide
just
and
a
seek.
big frog. It's in there. You guys saw, like where I got hit. I'm gonna go show you guys that. So the frog, it's right here. Put on. Just the frog
Here,
that you
wait.
sit on your hand.
Yep. It's right there. And
Navel, the navel. Guys, look at how close I am to getting a mod.
wait. Oh,
Not
wait,
that
wait,
close.
wait. Shabam. I'm at 999. I'm at 99 something. I'm at 99. I'm at 994, 993.
No one gets moderator. I wonder where you go though to get mod, to get the cosmetics.
Ow!
Guys. So
Crap. I hit the wall. Okay.
So now what do we need to show them? We
I
still need to
believe
find
that's
the mug.
everything we've found so far.
Alright, so before we do horror, before he does horror actually,
No, wait.
he could go. What?
Wasn't there something in normal forest?
Here. Sure, let's go check.
Because I swear
There's
there
none
was.
in mines. There's none in mines, I don't think.
Yeah.
Was there?
Yeah,
I don't think there was.
no. Oh yeah, there was nothing in here. Sorry.
By the way,
Yeah,
guys,
there's-
there's no way to mute the music. There's no way to mute the music.
Sadly. Because it may get annoying after you spend
Um,
like 20 minutes
There's
in there.
there's like something on the moon, I think. We don't
Nope.
know. It's just that it's like kind of sick.
No, I've already
really
checked.
sick.
I've checked the whole moon. Okay, I'm gonna go do horror.
Make
Oh
sure-
wait, come
make
down
sure to
here.
watch
Come down
Jack's-
here real quick. Actually, come down here. I'm serious.
Why?
Because it's not about horror. There's something else down here. Where are you?
What?
Come down.
Down
come
here. What's this?
Over here.
This is horror.
There's just no. It's right over here. This is
You want me to
Netbox.
jump down?
This is Netbox and
Man, I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox.
I'll tell you, I know how to beatbox. Look at me, little boom, boom.
you know what's standing. They don't have jump scares.
I'll tell you, I know how to beatbox.
See? Really over here.
I gotta tell you I know how to beatbox.
Bring down object. And then you say.
Man, I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox.
I'm sorry, Jace. I tricked you into going in here.
No, you didn't.
Nope. I died. There's no jump scare.
So just so you guys know, yeah. But I would do horror, but there's jump scares. So
Let's
you
go.
guys go watch I Play Games 10's video. If you want to see how to get the knife and help. I know how to get help. All you gotta do is finish
Horror.
horror, by the way. Yeah.
Horror is how.
So
Yeah. Okay. Here,
You
this
guys
is the
know how to
maze.
get the knife?
You just want to follow this
and
quick and easy path.
at the end of the video, he's gonna try. He wants to. He's gonna try to finish it. So make sure to watch this video.
Down. You guys follow. Always follow the arrows. The music's hype though. I'm gonna run through here. What am I doing down there? So here, you climb up, and every time you fail, he breaks those, and it makes it harder. So you can hear him breaking it. Shoot! I went the wrong way. No! Yeah, but you kind of just run through there.
So like, there's this big wall,
So,
and like, there's an area
you hop
where
down?
the big wall is, where the knife is.
sorry, I didn't show you guys
Like,
where the
there's a
knife
huge-
is. Let me show you
There's
that
a
where it
humongous-
is. I messed up and didn't
There's
show
a
you guys.
humongous wall.
I got skewed.
So for my
You
viewers,
should do here. It's in level 2.
there's an exit area.
Just continue.
There's an exit area. Then
Oh,
there's,
do?
um,
Get over here.
and there's the
Follow the arrows. Arrows are key. Now, it's better if you go to get your knife on your second try, and when you haven't quit yet. If you die once after you get to the part where I got, then it will be easy peasy to see it. See that? Right over there? This is knife and you can click it and get it. See, that's actually a fake to trick you. You just continue. See, and it goes right through this hole here. You don't want to miss it, but I did, which is fine. As long as you have a good lead, you should be okay. No! Bam.
Hey guys, should I buy the camera? Anything else in the box for you guys?
Hey, get over here.
Something else.
And, I don't know what you do from here. I think it's a little safe zone. Yeah. But if you do accidentally fall in, there's no harm. You just have to wall jump your way out. What? Still coming? See, I don't know what you do from there. He's not supposed to get stuck. Okay, so this might happen where he's stuck. Sorta. I don't know. There. I've gotten him stuck. Him unstuck. I think. But you're trying to get him unstuck, and he needs to fall in this pit. Oh, he got stuck again.
Bro, I just spent my
To get him unstuck, you have to head
Jack, I just
over
spent
here,
my
and you sort of
my bananas on something.
have to get close. Hey,
How did you get
dog, going back to my Minecraft open. It's coming closer. See, I think they need to fix this here. See, I can attract him without him killing me. Yeah, see. So,
Jack, look what I bought.
So level 2, one sec.
Go to
So
city.
level 2 of
Go to
Fort
city.
is broken. And so, if he
Jack, say hi.
if he gets fixed,
Jack,
hi. What's this?
this only costs 500. Follow me. Follow me.
But you guys have to finish horror, so they will have to fix that glitch where he gets stuck. And because it's doing that, I can't show off help.
It's right here. It's right here.
So, okay. So that's okay.
Let me get it.
They'll probably fix it soon.
You see this? I could
And
get this
so, yeah.
and buy the horror thing.
That's everything.
Wait, bro, what's the point of you buying this? What's the point
That's
of you
everything
buying
we
this
have. And yeah.
Jack,
As soon as they
let's go
fix that,
find-
I will do an update on horror, and I will show you guys the rest of it.
Alright, so,
and
guys,
yeah.
here's the
So,
knife
so you
that I
got-
don't have. Show,
Yeah.
show.
Beautiful knife.
For my viewers, I'm gonna keep recording so you guys can see where the mug and stuff is.
The what?
We're probably gonna search up a tutorial. Yeah, there's a mug. Yeah, the mug.
Well, no.
You know the mug. Right here.
I will. Once we find the rest of them, I'll make an update video
Actually,
of
yeah,
where the
same.
chicken nuggets
same
help.
thing.
This guy, mug,
Well, the help, all you have to do is
And-
finish horror.
yeah, and yeah. Hopefully, horror gets fixed in its next update. Excuse me, but other than
People find me.
see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed.
Picture.
Please leave
Yep.
a like or subscribe,
Yep.
or else Jace will get
Um,
it. And also subscribe to Jace Monkey.
Yeah, subscribe to How to Play Games at 10. He's a homie. I love him.
If you guys
And,
don't subscribe to either of us, he gets it. He gets it.
He gets it.
Bro, I'm just gonna eat
Alright,
that.
bye guys.
I'm just gonna eat it. Bye.